Hello everyone. Today, I am going to show you how to autoplay video in Facebook. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open up Facebook. Once you're there, head over to your settings. You can do this by clicking on the 3-bar icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Now, scroll all the way down until you see Settings and Privacy. Click on it. Then select Settings again from the drop-down menu. Next, you'll want to scroll down until you find Preferences section. Under this section, click on the Media section. When you click on it, and here you'll see various media options. We came for autoplay purpose. Therefore, we see in the autoplay section. You can see there are 3 options. Now, you'll notice an option that says Never Autoplay Videos. Make sure this is disabled by clicking on other 2 options. You can select any option from both of these according to your need. Once you have selected your option, Facebook will automatically start autoplaying videos in your feed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.